Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you an adjustment on Heusinkveld pedals that you need to make. If you're having trouble with messy throttle traces or you can't quite get the exits down when you're driving, it's probably because of this reason if you're using these pedals. So if you ignore the brake and clutch, I've already set these up. This is how I like mine, with the soft and these two spacers. The clutch I just leave alone. So right now, you can have the throttle pedal set up however stiff you want it. So this bolt will make it as stiff as you want it. If you go up, I believe that's more stiff, and down is less stiff. I have mine in the middle, more or less. So you may have adjusted that to your liking, but you may still have issues even if you've adjusted it stiffer and you can't quite get the sensitivity of the first part of the pedal. So if you're trying to roll smoothly on power and you're finding that you're getting on power way too quickly, it's probably because you haven't adjusted this bolt here. Now this is very important. If this, you see this dial here, this nut locks this dial in place. So if you want to adjust this dial, what you need to do is get the small spanner, the small end of this spanner that comes with the pedals. You need to pop it here and undo that. I mean, I've just undone it a little bit because it's hard to do on video. So this is separated. Now this won't actually adjust the spring. What you need to do is this dial may be up here and this is what's causing the problem. You need to twist it this way to move it downwards. So I have it aligned, if I can just about see. I have it about aligned with this bolt here, a little bit in front of me. You've got to feel it out. But what this will do is it will make the pedal stiff uniformly. So it will be stiff, the same stiffness all the way throughout the pedal travel. And this is what you really want, because then you can be way more consistent and you can feel the throttle out way easier. And once you've done adjusting this dial, you want to stick the spanner on there. You want to hold the dial while you tighten it so that the dial doesn't move, so then they're snug up together. Now this is what is going to make a massive difference with. Now the reason I feel that this will make such a big difference is with the throttle being light at the start and heavy at the end, you really can't get a feel for when you're getting on power. So what your problem may be, which is the problem I had, is that if you pay attention to the trace graph, you'll get on power a lot, then you'll drop the power, and then you'll get back on power again, which is not what we want. So it'll probably look something like this, and you don't want that. What you want when you want to be fast is to have a nice smooth trace, or like a smooth trace like that. So this is what will make a big difference. You really don't want that shaky kind of throttle trace when you're driving. So I hope this helps you, and if it did help you, leave a like and comment maybe, and see you guys in the next video.